Welcome back, everybody, to A&M Homestead. Today I finally get to do it. Gonna be picking some corn that is ready, some sweet corn. Looking forward to it. I probably should have picked it a couple days ago, but I didn't do it. So I'm glad that the coons around here did not come and eat all of it. So I'm going to go through here and just kind of try to pick out some of the good ones. I don't know how good they will be. Hopefully they're not tough. Hopefully they're not starting to set up already. So I'm just going to go through here and we're going to pick out some of them and see how they look, and I'll shuck them out a little bit, and we'll just, I don't know. They may look good, may look bad, I don't know. It's my first time really growing sweet corn. So we're going to try it and see how it goes. So yeah, it didn't get pollinated all the way. Looks like it got some mold growing on it too. We've had a lot of moisture, had a lot of rain. This doesn't look very good. This will be pig food right here. So it's not going to go to waste. Pigs will definitely love that. On to the next one. This one, if you can see it, hopefully you can see all the bugs come out. Those are weevils, so they will eat your corn. So that one's gonna go to pigs too. I think I just got too late. Hope not. Oh boy, let's keep on rolling. Hopefully we get at least one good one out of this. It's not gonna go to waste. The pigs will eat it, so I want to eat some. It's not pollinating very well. You see that? It's just not pollinating. I don't know what the trick is. Y'all, you got a suggestion, make sure you put it down in the comments. But it's just not pollinating very well. Because it probably tastes just fine, but I want all of it to be covered, just like everybody else. All right, let's continue on. Oh man, that thing's nasty looking. Look at that nasty looking corn. Look at that. What kind of fungus is that? Anybody know? That thing is bad looking. It's got weevils all in it like crazy. Look, can you see them? You see them crawling around it everywhere in there? Gross. That'd be pig food. So way it looks, most of them are all fail. I think I may have waited too long. I don't know. I mean, everybody that knows something about sweet corn, just let me know down in the comments what went wrong as far as the pollination. I don't know. But I did get a couple of years that I could actually eat, so the rest of it's going to go pretty much to the pigs. So we could supplement their feed for a day or two with the corn, which as they'll absolutely love it. So Marcia actually, she was out here. I don't know if you saw her or not, but she was picking some more cucumbers. Cucumbers are just going crazy right now, so she collected some more and took them inside. So yeah, it's good times. Doing really good. Check this out.